ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Welcome back, students. I am Yogananda, teaching class 10 mathematics. Today we are going to start a new topic called quadratic equations. I am writing the heading. All of you take down this: quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. You have already learnt in polynomials there are some equations. What is a equation? What is a polynomial? What is a quadratic equation? I will let you know now. Before proceeding further, let me tell about this program. This is video recording program of K. Venkana classes. We are located in Chintan and Tarnaka. I am Yogananda, teaching class 10 mathematics now for Telangana state and AP state mathematics. I want you to get benefited out of our recordings, uploads, which are available in our website kvenkannajuniorcollege.com. You can see the printed material also for all the subjects. All the subjects you can see, you can get access for Hindi, Telugu, mathematics, physical science, biology, social studies and all these things. You have all video recorded uploads available in our website, and there is some printed material also available for some for specific chapters in almost all subjects, which you can download, take a print and make use of that for your forthcoming examinations, which are likely in the month of May, 3rd week or 4th week. So coming back to our lesson, quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? First of all, let me tell you what is a polynomial. When you take a first order polynomial, it is second order polynomial, third order polynomial. You learnt all these. First order polynomial, second order polynomial, third order polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Second order polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. First order polynomial is just a monomial, or we call it as first order only. First order polynomial. I am writing an example here. Whenever you have a1x plus b1, then it is called a first order polynomial. What is the variable here? Only one variable. We are talking more or less only one variable here. We are not taking two variables. First order polynomial in one variable x is a1x plus b1y. Second order polynomial is a1x square plus b1x plus c1. If you want, you can write a1x square plus a2x plus a3. That way also you can write. Next, third order polynomial. a1 x cube plus b1 x square plus c1 x plus d1, where a1 b1 belongs to R such that a1 is non-zero. Here also a1 is non-zero, a1 b1 c1 belongs to real numbers. Here a1 b1 c1 d1 belongs to R and a1 is non-zero. Why we are restricting a1 to be non-zero? If we don't restrict it, if we say that it can be 0, then what happens? There is no x term. If at all a1 is 0, there is no x term. Here a1 is 0, there is no x square term. Here a1 is 0, there is no x cube term. When there is no x cube term, it is not a third degree polynomial. If it is not a third degree polynomial, it is not a cubic polynomial. If it is not a second degree polynomial, we don't call it quadratic polynomial. It is a linear polynomial. But a1x square plus b1x plus c1, having a1 is 0 gives the meaning that it is ultimately reducing to linear polynomial. In order to avoid that, highest power of x we will consider and the coefficient is made non-zero. The other coefficients can be zeros or cannot be zeros, need not be true. It can be zeros, it cannot be zeros, anything whatsoever, but it should be true that the highest degree, the term having got highest degree x power 1, x power 2, x power 3, x power 4, whatsoever you write, the coefficient should be non-zero. Then only we say that it is a polynomial having third degree. So, this is called a specific name for this cubic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. This is a linear polynomial. What is the first degree polynomial called? Linear polynomial. What is the second degree polynomial called? Quadratic polynomial. What is the third degree polynomial called? Quadratic cubic polynomial. What is the fourth degree polynomial called? Of course, it is not required now, biquadratic polynomial. Like that you can give names. If at all there is no name, just say that it is a polynomial having fourth degree, polynomial having fifth degree, polynomial having third degree, like that you can go ahead. Whenever you think of a polynomial is, example I am writing 2x plus 3 is a polynomial, linear polynomial, first degree polynomial. If you make this equal to 0, then it is called equation because it is equated. Whenever a polynomial is equated to something which is in turn becoming equation, it is called an equation. Understand the point. Polynomial equated to 0 is equation. Polynomial equated to another polynomial is also an equation. Polynomial is equal to another polynomial equation. So, after simplification it is now a second degree polynomial or third degree polynomial or first degree polynomial, accordingly we name the polynomial. But an equation is definitely left hand side, right hand side, in between is equal to. Left hand side, right hand side always need not be 0, sometimes it can be a polynomial. After simplification it reduces to 0, we can make it 0. So, every polynomial equated to another polynomial or 0 is called an equation. Equation means equated to 0 or another polynomial compared, and then we call it equation. Now, we are in quadratic equations. What is the name of this? Quadratic equation. What is quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. I am writing like this. Ax square plus bx plus c is quadratic polynomial. What is the condition here? A is non-zero, a, b, c belongs to real numbers. Now, this quadratic polynomial is equated to 0 is called quadratic equation. Remember this, when a quadratic polynomial is equated to 0, we call it as a quadratic equation. Now, we have to write some examples for this. I am writing one or two examples. X square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 is a quadratic polynomial. Why it is a quadratic polynomial? What is the variable here? X square plus 2x plus 4. What is the variable here? X. What is the next highest term of x? X power 1. What is the next highest? X power 0. You can see that x power 0 is 1, 1 is multiplied by 4, x power 1 is multiplied by 2, x power 2 is multiplied by 1. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. It is quadratic equation. I am writing in the short form quadratic equation. So, when you are given any equation, you can verify whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So, I am just sliding the board so that we can take some more examples. So, once again I briefly explain this. The heading is quadratic equation. Is the definition is any quadratic polynomial is equated to 0 is called a quadratic equation. General quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is non-zero. Now, from the textbook I am just writing some. Check whether the following equations are quadratic or not. X square minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0 is given. Check whether it is quadratic or not. This is the question. Question is check whether it is quadratic or not. Is it a quadratic equation or not? X square minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. Shall we write it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0? Always compare this with the general form. General form is always written below the equation given after simplification. That means the right side is always 0. Because he has already given right side 0, we have compared it very easily. Here we get a is 2. Is it 0 or non-zero? Non-zero. B is equal to minus c. C is equal to minus 4. Here a, b, c are real numbers. Therefore, it is quadratic equation is the answer. Check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. The answer is yes, it is a quadratic equation. We have established the truth. Now, I am writing the second example. Check whether it is a quadratic or not. Second question, x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Look at the equation. What is the highest power of x? 3. Highest power of x. Therefore, it is not quadratic equation, but it is cubic equation. It is not required. You don't need to write it. It is not quadratic equation is enough, because our heading is quadratic equations. So, we are just confirming it is not quadratic equation. But what is this equation? It is an equation having third degree. Equation having second degree is called quadratic equation. Equation having third degree is called cubic equation, but we don't need to mention it. Now, I am taking this third example. 7x is equal to 2x square. 7x is equal to 2x square is the given equation. You have to verify or you have to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. First of all, we have to send this to right side. 0 is equal to 2x square minus 7x. I am writing left hand side like this. 2x square minus 7x plus 0 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is a? 2 non-zero. What is b? Minus 7. C 0. They are real numbers.
Hello friends, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at KVC I am chemistry faculty. So, first of all, let me wish you all the best for your upcoming board examination. Here at KVC, we are the team of IITians and ITians and doctor to help you achieve your dream. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join us and fulfill your dream.
They are real numbers and A is 2 non-zero, therefore it is quadratic equation. This is the answer. You are expected to write whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Now I am writing the fourth problem. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 0. This is what is given. Is given as 2, not 2. 0, 2. Now what is the LCM here? X square. X power 4 plus 1 is equal to 2. X power 4 plus 1 is 2x square. So, x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 is 0. Highest power is 4. It is not quadratic. It is not quadratic equation. This is the way you have to write in the examination. You may be given problems with little difficulty. I am writing one more problem on the board which has some difficulty level. 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 1. 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 is equal to, say for example, he has given some constant 3. 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 3 is the given equation. Even if the equation right side is 0, there is no problem. Multiply it, 2x into 3x, 6x square plus 2x plus 3x into 1 plus 3x plus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 3 is 0. So, 6x square plus 5x plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. You don't need to write anything, just write it is quadratic equation. This is the way you have to answer the question. Even if the right side is given two factors in terms of x, the left side factors in terms of x, multiplication of two factors, right side, left side, anyway. Whatsoever it will, just simplify it, write it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You can call it as a quadratic equation. Next question I am writing a different way of asking the question. Is 3y square equal to 192? Is 3y square equal to 192 is quadratic equation? This is the question. You have to write yes or no, or can't say. You can say it any answer. First of all, you must look at the variable here. It is looking like y square. So, it is 3y square minus 192 is 0. It is written as 3y square minus 0y minus 192 is 0. Ay square minus by plus c equal to 0 form, or you can say ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. This is also a form. Whether it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 or ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, if the variable is changed as x as y and y as x, but it is a quadratic equation. It is quadratic equation is the answer. So, there may be in the examination 2-mark question or multiple choice question wherein you may be given a equation like this and you are asked to find whether they are quadratic equations or not. Sometimes there may be a difficult question also, little bit extra expansions. X minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Is it a quadratic equation? Check whether the following are quadratic equations again. I am writing the answer. What is a minus b whole square formula? If you know the formula, it is always easy. A square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. You must recollect the formula and accordingly you have to write the answer. So, x minus 2 whole square is x square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 2, it is plus b square, 4 plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. It is x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. It is x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 equal to 0. Directly you write it in this form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. It is quadratic equation. You must write it in the final form like this, then only you will be given marks. And one more I am writing, x into x plus 1 plus 8, x into x plus 1 plus 8, x times x plus 1 plus 8, x plus 2 into x minus 2. This is given. You have to verify or establish the fact that it is a quadratic equation or not. So, what to do? Expand x square plus x plus 8. Here it is x square minus 4. What is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So, we bring all the left side, right side terms to left side. X square plus x plus 8 minus x square plus 4 equal to 0. Look at the x square term gone. X plus 8 plus 4, x plus 12 equal to 0. Is it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c? No. It is not in this form because a is 0. It is in the form of ax plus b form. It is not quadratic equation, but what is this equation called? It is a linear equation. It is a linear equation. So, there are questions of this kind which are asked in the examination. I am writing one more question here. Ninth question, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. This is the question given, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. You have to establish whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Write it, x square plus 3x plus 1. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. X square minus 2 into 2, 4x plus 4. You can see x square getting cancelled both ways, left side, right side. 3x plus 4x, 7x plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? It is not quadratic equation. It is not quadratic equation. This is the answer. So, with that you have learnt whether the given equations are quadratic equations or not. So, similarly there are questions wherein there are word problems and the roots of the quadratic equation and all that. So, let us proceed further in the next class, how many roots are there, what kind of roots are there and all that. I hope you learnt that quadratic equation is an equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You can see it here. In every equation you are going to write that and conclude it.